In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Bluetooth device that's not working on a Windows 11 computer. If you're having trouble connecting your Bluetooth devices, follow along and we'll get you up and running in no time. Let's start by going to the Settings app. Click on the Start menu, which is the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then select Settings, represented by the gear icon. Settings is your control center for customizing and fixing many components of your Windows system, including Bluetooth. Once in the Settings app, the next step is to navigate to the System tab. You'll find System at the top of the left-hand menu. Clicking here will allow you to manage different system-related settings, including troubleshooting. Within the System settings, look for the Troubleshoot option. Here we have options set up by Windows that can automatically detect and resolve problems with your computer, and this includes Bluetooth issues. After selecting Troubleshoot, you'll see a link for other troubleshooters. Go ahead and click that. In this section, you'll find a detailed list of common problems Windows can help fix, and Bluetooth will be one of them. Scroll through the list and locate Bluetooth. Click the Run button next to it. Windows will now scan for Bluetooth issues and attempt to fix them automatically. This process can take a few moments, so be patient while your system works out any potential kinks. If your Bluetooth device still isn't working after running the troubleshooter, our next move is to manually dig a little deeper. Start by right-clicking on the Start button, and from there, select Device Manager. Device Manager will give us a detailed list of all the hardware connected to your computer. In Device Manager, find the Bluetooth section and click to expand it. This section shows all the Bluetooth adapters installed on your device. Locate your Bluetooth adapter here. If you notice the adapter has a gray icon, it means it's disabled. Right-click on it and choose Enable Device. If your adapter isn't disabled but problems persist, you may need to reinstall the Bluetooth driver. To do this, right-click on your Bluetooth adapter again and choose Uninstall Device. Afterward, restart your computer. Windows should automatically reinstall the correct driver upon reboot. However, if it doesn't, you can manually reinstall it through Device Manager by clicking on the Action menu at the top and selecting Scan for Hardware Changes. These steps should help resolve most Bluetooth connectivity issues you might come across in Windows 11. If you follow these instructions carefully, you should be able to enjoy a seamless Bluetooth experience once again. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any further questions or concerns.